The DEH-X7500S has a built-in RDS tuner with 18 FM radio station presets and 6 AM radio station presets. Let's take a look to see how it works. We'll get to the tuner section by touching the source button until we see tuner in the window. Right now we're on FM band number 1, where we can have 6 radio station presets. So to create a radio station preset, first we're going to tune in a radio station. We can tune in a radio station by incrementally changing the frequency or pressing and holding the lever key for a moment and seeking to the next station. Once we've found a radio station, we're going to create a radio station preset. So touch the magnifying glass and we're going to put that into radio station preset area number 3. Now press and hold for a couple of seconds, and we have 93.1 set as radio station preset on band number 1. I'm going to hit my escape button, and here you can see I'm on FM band number 1, where we get 6 radio station presets. If I touch band again, I switch to FM band 2, where I get 6 more radio station presets. Touch band again, I'm on FM 3, where I get 6 more radio station presets for a total of 18 on FM. Touch band one more time, and I'm on AM, and I get 6 AM radio station presets I can make. If I touch band one more time, I come back around to my original FM band number 1. Now I'm going to create a radio station preset on band number 2 using a feature called Best Stations Memory. I'm going to touch the volume control and go to my function menu, press enter, and we're going to create radio stations on band number 2 by touching the button for Best Stations Memory. Now BSM is searching the entire FM spectrum and will lock in the 6 strongest radio stations that it's receiving automatically into band number 2. Best Station Memory works on both AM and FM. So now we have 6 strong radio stations set up on band number 2. Touch band to escape, and I'll create another radio station preset on band number 3 now by just seeking along here until I find a radio station. And I'm going to touch my magnifying glass and move along to number 3 and press and hold for a moment. And I've created 90.7 as preset number 3 on band number 3. Now if I'm going to switch between my radio station presets, I have a couple of different ways that I can do that. First is I can just touch the band key and it will switch between the radio station preset that I was on that band. So I can go to FM number 1, 2, or 3, or AM just by touching the band key, and it will cycle through those 4 radio station presets. On any given band, like FM number 2, I can use my hard arrow keys up and down to switch between my radio station presets. Now let's take a moment and look at the local seek settings. I'm going to press in on the volume control and choose the function menu, and I'm going to turn over to my local settings and touch enter. Right now, local is turned off, which means when I seek to the next radio station, the tuner will stop on every sound that it hears, every even very weak radio station. If I switch local on to level number 1, it will still stop on weak stations. If I go up to level number 4, it will only seek the very strongest radio stations that are available, very strong and clear. So choose the local level that works best for you. When you're done making that adjustment, you can touch the escape key to get out.